Welcome to the San Luis Resort, Penthouse 1634, located on Galveston Seawall Boulevard. I'm Christine Hopkins, local expert and Galveston author, and we're here to give you a tour of this luxury condominium available through Ryson Real Estate and Vacation Rentals. This luxury condominium accommodates up to 8 guests and has 4 balconies. That's right, 4 balconies. And since we're on the 16th floor, you're really going to enjoy this gorgeous view of the Gulf of Mexico. The living room offers plenty of seating, and you'll have to put that phone down and really savor the view. The dining room seats 6 people, and another perk of staying here at the Penthouse is you can order from the restaurants in the hotel and have the meals delivered right up to your room. There's extra seating here in the kitchen, all the modern appliances you need, and it's fully stocked. And if you plan on cooking in, there's a double oven. This primary bedroom offers a king-size bed and one of 4 balconies. Just imagine waking up with this incredible view of the Gulf of Mexico. The Hollywood Vanity offers the perfect spot to get ready for dinner out. And next, let's check out the ensuite. This bathroom offers a shower and a jetted tub for a little R&R. On the other side of this luxury condominium is a second bedroom. This bedroom is furnished with 2 queen-size beds and 1 set of twin bunks in the alcove of this room. Plus, you're going to find a crib if you're traveling with a baby, and the 4th balcony with a view of the Gulf. This doorway leads into a second bathroom that has a tub and a shower, and most importantly, a stackable washer and dryer, perfect for those days at the beach. You're also going to find a second doorway that leads you right back into the living room. Remember, the San Luis is a 4 diamond property, so you can expect exceptional service. And well, we can't say enough about this view from the 16th floor. Imagine your morning coffee or your favorite adult beverage with this view of the Gulf of Mexico. This penthouse condominium gives you access to all of the amenities available at the San Luis Resort. At the San Luis, that means breathtaking views, a tropical pool with poolside cabanas, a spa, plenty of dining options, a fitness center, and tennis courts. Welcome to the San Luis Resort, Penthouse 1634 in Galveston. Book your next Galveston escape soon through Ryson Vacation Rentals. For more details of this home, visit the link in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page for more walkthrough videos and all things vacationing on Galveston Island.